This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crispy Treats, a new twist on an old favorite, Rice Krispy Treats. This is all made in this one dish in the oven. Only cleanup you have is one spatula. If you want to see how I make this in under 20 minutes, keep watching. Here's the ingredients for oven-baked dump crispy treats. Now, most people use Rice Krispies cereal. I do not like Rice Krispy cereal any form, way, or fashion, so I'm going to use Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This all bakes in one dish in the oven, so there's no cleanup except the spatula. You need 6 tablespoons of butter. I have pure vanilla. I'm going to add some extra cinnamon to this. You definitely need a non-stick cooking spray, and I have the jumbo size jet marshmallows. You need 24 for this dish. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make this. You can swap out the cereal for Cheerio apple cereal. My favorite would be Fruity Pebbles or Captain Crunch with berries. That would probably be too sweet for most children, and most parents would not approve of that. But the Cinnamon Toast Crunch gives it a nice balance. Let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay, my oven is set at 350 degrees. You want to spray your dish. That is critical to getting these bad boys out. And those of you who've been here before, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week and I always include inspirational quote, tell a controversial joke. And there you have 6 tablespoons of the butter that I've cut. Then you want to add your marshmallows. And technically, there's 24 marshmallows. And you want them in a single layer. These are the marshmallows I'm using, the jumbo size. So I'm just popping these on top. And if you get 24, great. If not, don't worry about it, but you definitely want them in a single layer. And this goes in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes tops. And I like the jumbo because they melt really well without getting brown, and they get really soft and mushy for you to cook this. So let me see. Three. Here's 24. I'm going to squeeze in here. So I'm going to take these and put these in my oven and then come back in 15 minutes and show you the next step. Okay guys, I forgot to put the vanilla in, so I'm going to grab it out of the oven. You know your girl always be in a hurry. So I'm going to take this out, and you want to add the vanilla at this point. So just a nice little squeeze, not a measurement. But definitely don't leave this out. The pure vanilla is important. Okay, I'm going to remove the dump and go crispy treat. The marshmallows have been cooking for 15 minutes. And at this point, this is where you add your cereal. I'm just shaking on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And this can get a little messy, guys, but don't worry about it. It'll spill all over your counter. You just want to mix this in. You want to add a little extra cinnamon for flavor. And see, that's why they're going on the floor. I like the big marshmallows because they puff up really nicely. Oh, one thing I forgot. Oh my God. You want to spray your spatula to keep the stuff from sticking. That is the key. Don't worry, I will sweep when I'm done. Just want to get this all mixed together. And it's too marshmallowy. I don't know if that's a word. Just keep adding cereal and see how the large marshmallows puff up really nicely and make it easy to mix. And for this dish, what I love, it's nothing to clean but the spatula when you're done, because the traditional method is cook this on the stove in a pot with butter to melt your marshmallows, and then mix it all together, and then pour it into the dish. So just keep adding cereal so you get it the right consistency. This is for my husband because he loves Rice Krispy Treats. He can even eat them pre-made, and if I'm going to eat them, they have to be homemade. I can't eat them, yikes, pre-made. Just keep stirring and mixing. This is one of those TikTok things. The lady used Cheerios, and I despise Cheerios. And just so you know, I'm a sweet tooth queen. I put sugar on my sugar frosted flakes. Yes, I do. They're not sweet enough. So I don't have any children, so I don't know. I know people probably would not approve of that much sugar, giving it to their children. So that's why I chose a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Maybe it's a little healthier. Not sure. And keep mixing. Get this totally mixed with butter. And for those of you who've been here before, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And if you like quick, easy meals, dump and go in a hurry, you're in the right spot. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. This looks like this is going to take the entire box, which is fine. I'm going to scoop these up off the counter that have spilled over and keep mixing. You got to move fairly quickly because this stuff does solidify pretty quick. And I'm going to go ahead and add the entire box. And anything that I dropped that did not hit the floor was to the side of the counter. So the large marshmallows melt nicely. You probably could try it with the smaller ones, but I think a couple times I've made this, the big marshmallows work the best as far as in the oven for a dump and go recipe. There you go, it's coming together nicely. I'm gonna throw them back in there. This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crispy Treats. 1 pan dump and go. Just want to smooth this out nicely. And there you have it. This is how it looks. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Okay guys, so I let this sit for about 20 minutes and I'm going to cut it and show you how this turned out. This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, not your traditional Rice Krispie. This set for about 30 minutes. I probably need to put it in the refrigerator, which I'm probably going to do because it is quite loose. Yes, and there you have it. Nice and gooey. Go ahead and give it a try. Missed. It's really delicious. Yeah, I would definitely add more cereal and let this sit for longer. I'm going to put it in the fridge because it's still pretty gooey. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to get everything set up and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crispy Treats, traditionally made with Rice Krispies, Rice Krispy Treats. I use Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. These are absolutely delicious. They have so much more flavor by adding extra cinnamon, and they're a little gooey. So if you're going to make my recipe, please buy 2 boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch because they are a little gooey. They could use a little bit more cereal. So I want to tell you guys my joke. An old southern farmer was sitting on his porch with a shotgun. He has 3 daughters and they were all waiting for their dates to pick them up, but he had to give his approval. So the first gentleman pulls up, he gets out of the car, he says, "Hi sir, I'm Joe. I came to pick up Flo. Is she ready to go? I want to take her to the show, sir." The guy looks at him, gives his approval, and off they go. So a few minutes later, another gentleman shows up. He says, "Hi sir, my name is Freddie. I came to pick up Betty. I'd like to take her out to eat spaghetti. Is she ready?" The guy looks him up and down, the father, and he gives his approval, and off they go. So about 20 minutes later, the third gentleman walks up. He says, "Hey sir, my name is Chuck." The farmer shot him. You get it? So anyway, he didn't think Chuck had good intentions when he showed up. But I thought that was kind of funny. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I try and respond to all my comments. This is absolutely delicious. A little bit extra gooey because it could use more cereal. So you might want to watch the cereal content because it's technically made with 6 cups of Rice Krispies. And I use Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which I think is absolutely delicious because I despise Rice Krispies. But use whatever cereal you like. And I would definitely try the oven method because the only thing you have to wash when you're done is the spatula. So once again, thanks for watching. God bless you and your family, and have a good evening.